When you're ready to turn in your unpainted simple house, we're going to make a duplicate of it from here. So duplicate that file, and you'll see that the name looks the same. So we need to change that. We're going to click there again and rename this. I'd like you to change it to the date code for whatever day you're turning this in, and add the word unpainted in all caps to really distinguish it from the one that you're going to paint. So that name there now means that we can download this and put that file into our 3D modeling project folder. So we can then add it to our Google Classroom assignment. You can say download a copy from here, or of course you can have it open. And you'll notice the angle that I would like this unpainted file to be at. That way I can quickly and easily measure the 3 measurements and check the windows. So if you've got the house open and it's your unpainted simple house, you can download the SKP file and it will go to your downloads folder as well. So now I've got 2 of them in there. I only need 1, but let's put that into our 3D modeling project folder. So of course clicking here will take me to the downloads folder, and I need to move that into my OneDrive 3D modeling project folder. I'm going to use my back arrow so I can keep that visible on the right hand side, and now I can simply drag that over to the 3D modeling project folder. Let me delete this extra one, so there's only one physical copy here in our 3D modeling project folder, and that can be uploaded directly into the Google Classroom. Sometimes Google Classroom does not let you upload an SKP file. If that happens, then we do want to add it from Google Drive. But the preferred method for my class, all this year, we've browsed to the folder and added the file from there.